Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme 15 Pro keeps crashing. So let's start the video. First of all, close all the background apps. After close all the background apps, then open settings. In settings, click on app updates, and here you can update all your apps. After update all apps, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then scroll down and click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone, and then click on reset all settings. Now click on reset. After reset all your settings, then go back and click on reset phone, and then click on erase all data. Now erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.